Wagwan, my guys and goddesses, this is Laamajthegod here, back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but I have been crossing my T's and dotting my I's, getting things together so that I can make sure that the rest of 2018 going into 2019, I give you nothing but bomb-ass content and just, getting my getting my future aligned with what I feel I positively need to do as an influencer, as a personality, as a makeup artist, as an adult, as a human being. Yeah. But anyway, I'm back because I have an updated natural look routine. I know I posted one 2 years ago, I feel like. And you can go check that out. It still works, it's still effective, but the way I do my makeup has changed so severely, especially with me doing natural makeup. I know I give you the beat and I give you the boom and the ow and the ooh, ah, and all of that, but today I'll actually be showing you how I just naturally do my makeup, okay? I do not do the extreme Laamajthegod sensation and all of that on the regular. I do like to do more natural looks, especially when I'm just out being Maji or being Jamal, so to speak. And today I'm gonna show you some products that I have been using to accomplish those looks. So, for more, stay tuned. Now as we get into foundation, which is what I like to do first, pause. I need to do some color correcting, okay? I like to do LA Girl Pro. This is in the orangey looking, what is it? Orange corrector. I just like to put this on like a little problem spot, so boop. Or the ones that I feel are problems. Also, I'm a man, you guys, if you did not know, for those who don't. I just like to really put them in the areas where I have impigmentation or dark spots, any blemishing. So of course it's here, under the eyes, and in the forehead area. Then after that, I like to take my beauty blender, a damp one at that. I don't know how other beauty gurus dampen their beauty blender. I just run it under some cold water, and we just like to go in and blend that out. Woo. So after doing that, I then like to go in with my foundation. Now, I've just been really going hard for this Fenty Beauty. I am in the color 440, and this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. I know I'm gonna be going out, I have errands to run, things of that nature, so I really like going in with that. I just like to put a little bit on the back or on the bottom of my beauty blender. I try to blow it out as much as I can, and I literally just do dots just to like situate it, and then I literally go in with the foundation. Now this is a soft matte foundation, but it is very hydrating and it's buildable. So that's why I like to use this, just really going in and picking color, correcting my color once again. But I love this foundation. I never find a moment where I feel dry. So after going in with my foundation, I then like to do a little bit of concealer. Though it is a natural look, I still like to have kind of like that, dimensioned looked face. I don't want to be like one tone. So I then like to go in with my LA Girl Pro concealer. And normally when I'm doing more of my extreme looks, I'll use like Fawn or something like that, or I either use my MAC Pro Longwear in NC45. But today I'll be using Chestnut, which is more of a warmer color. And I literally just, go under the eye. We have it. So as I have the concealer under my eyes, I just want to go in and again press with that beauty blender. Now, after doing that, I will be setting my face. I won't be baking though, only because again I'm not going for that type of look. I'm going for more of a natural look. But again, I will be baking. I'll be using Patrick Starr's setting powder. Now that that's done and I have blended in my concealer, you can see that I look awake, I look illuminated. I'll be going in with Patrick Starr's setting powder. Normally I bake around this time, but this time I won't be baking. I'll just be literally putting it on to set it, and I'll kind of be going in more of a sweeping motion. So now that that is done, I still like, you know, a cute brow. So I will be going in with my brows. As I do that, I'll be starting off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. This is in clear. After brushing them through, I'll be using a brow pencil. This is from the Body Shop as well. This is their dark brown, I think, sculpting brow pencil. And I just like to fill in just a little bit. I like to be on fleek, but naturally fleeky. After I do my brows, I just like to brush them through. I didn't really use a lot of product, but for the most part, I just like to brush that through the brows, just to move the product to make sure I'm getting the full advantage, the full fantasy. So after doing that, I then like to go in with the same concealer that I used to highlight my face. I put a little bit on the back of my hands, and what I'll be doing is I won't be cleaning the tops of my brows because again, I still want that kind of rugged, wolfy brow look, but I will be going under the bottom and cleaning that up. I love me a sharp, clean bottom. Then after I do that, I then like to just go back in with that Patrick Starr, and I take a damp beauty blender. And my under eyes are really my biggest problem. And I really like to just go up in there and press this in. I like to go in with my MAC Mineralizing Powder in dark, and this is how I brush away my under eyes. And I know I may look like a lot of product. I promise you it is not. And I'm using very minimal product, so it's very small inches. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to worry about any crazy things like that. All right, so for the lips, I usually use a lip tint and then a moisturizer. So what I'll be using is actually from the Body Shop as well. This is the new lip juicers. They're really cute. They come in 7 shades. So they have a clear one, they have a purple one, they have a more light pinky one, they have more of a dark pinky one, and then this one is more of a red. Again, it is vegetarian and it has strawberries, pomegranates, and aloe vera in it. So when I put it on my lips, it turns it like a cute pinky red. And I like that color for me. I also have the green one, which is avocado and watermelon or something like that. And then I like to go in with my Kiehl's Mango Lip Balm. This is bomb. So now it kind of gives that like glossy, juicy lip look. Of course, I'm going in with some mascara. I just want to, give a little bit more attention to my eyes. So I'll be going in with the Buxom mascara, okay? So for mascara, I kind of have like a technique. I like to go all the way to the root and just pull up. I don't like to do anything crazy or loopy because again, I just want it to look very natural and subtle. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the devil trying to bring you down. I have the duo. Yeah. So one side is Hustle Baby and the other side is Me Money. But I find that Mean Money is a little bit more subtle. It's a little more softer. I am going to go in and spray my face with some hydrating mist. I'll be using the Body Shop's Vitamin E Hydrating Mist Spray. While everything melts in, I'm going to go in with Mean Money. And then I like to go on with more of a flat concealer brush. We're gonna dip back into that Me Money, and we're gonna go under the brow bone. One last spray for the good ones. And there we have it, the finished look. It's very, again, hydrating, moisturizing, it's very minimum coverage. You can do this, I promise you it's quicker. The only reason why it's taking this long is because I'm talking. But this is an everyday look. You can do this for school. Most definitely work appropriate, okay? These are easy steps. You don't have to use the makeup that I use. I understand that some of them are a little pricey. We do have more makeup out in the world that you can use, like Maybelline, Fit Me, all of those that are in your local drugstores. You can still accomplish this look. But anyway, my guys and goddesses, thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know if I helped you out with just a natural, basic, everyday glam. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Most definitely pick that bell down there so that you know when I post more videos like this one. And I love you all.